brief, like, whiff of it.
Of what?
You're a dick.
No, I am... I'm a dick.
Ah, my phone's taking a shit.
I need to see your schmur.
What?
Look at my schmur.
Posting it.
Schmur.
I don't like yours,
Schmur.
where it's crisp ash.
Did you say crisp ass?
Yes. You have crisp ass.
So good.
Okay.
So good. Oh.
What? We're gonna put this stick someplace.
What's wrong with these? More time. More time.
Yay.
Nom, nom, nom.
Why do we as adults stop doing this?
Because we get fat and diabetic. Not necessarily in that order. Ruby? Ruby, Rushmer. She's afraid to get roasted alive.
Hi. Is your phone still blurry?
No, it's still good this time around.
Oh, that's good.
Ruby wants a schmur.
Maybe you're a schmear?
You can't have a schmur, Ruby.
You like that? No? Okay.
More time's over now.